Hello everybody, so we're back with another Python video. In this video we're going to be using Turtle, but I figured out something awesome that isn't that I can just... And today I have Thonny instead of VS Code. VS Code stopped supporting the macOS Catalina, and this Mac just refuses to update. So yeah, and so I'm using Thonny, the interpreter, to show you this new thing that I made. So basically, how it works is it basically makes a wheel. You may remember some of my old Python videos, like very old Python videos about making like turtle wheels, and I used this random thing called like Python Sandbox or something. I don't remember. And you may remember that, but this time I got it to work on Thonny, and I just figured out that this thing could run the Python Turtle graphics window. And so I used all of that to make this. So here's how it works. It imports the turtle module, which is a module that lets you to draw stuff in Python Turtle graphics window, specific because this is specifically for Turtle. Well, not Python. Just not specifically for Python. It also works in Scratch. Just it's called Pen, and it's in the extensions category. But one thing is that it's really cool to use. And so here's how the first part of this wheel maker works. So it gets an identification number, which I just named ident. It's a variable called ident, and it just asks for an input, a 10-digit number, any 10-digit number, no spaces, no commas, or dashes. So nothing between the numbers, just a bunch, just 10 digits that are valid numbers just across there. And yeah, that's basically what it's asking for. Then it's in a try and accept thing, basically where if it will try all of this stuff, and if there's an error there, it will go straight to the accept or exception area, and it will... I just shook my desk on accident. Don't know how that happened. And it prints a 10-digit number only. Rerun the program, and it asks you to rerun it because obviously it's probably here where when you're trying to split this by 2 digits, so 2 of the digits go into each of these, and so you have 2 digits here, 2 digits here, 2 digits here, and so on. And there's 5 of them, which makes sure that all of the digits are distributed, where you can use them later as parameters in this for loop. And so, let me change this. Basically how this works is t equals turtle.turtle, okay, and then screen equals turtle.screen, so that opens up a window. And then t.ht, if you don't know, ht is short for hide turtle. It hides the turtle. And yeah. And then a for loop. For I in range v1, so v1 is are the first 2 digits of it. So look at these example ones that I put down here that actually worked very well, and they looked pretty good. The first 2 digits are how many times it's going to repeat this for loop. Now, it will go forward v2. So the second 2 digits here are the ones it will go forward by in the first parts of the for loop. Then it will turn right v3, so that third pair of the third 2-digit pair, the third pair of digits. Then it goes backwards, the same second pair of digits. Then it goes right, third pair of digits again. Then it goes backwards, fourth pair of digits. These two. And Then it's going to go right. It's going to turn right. The fifth pair of digits, degrees, right. And so, yeah. If you want to make your own wheel maker, it's very easy. You just copy down this code, all of this code. If you want to make it custom and you want to make it a little bit different than mine, you can change these things, but just keep those same parameters. You can swap the parameters for everything. So a different machine with different code here will make a different wheel than this one. And so yeah, let me show you. So this is my first one, obviously. I'm pretty sure you saw that, right? Not sure. So this is my first one. Opens that. And it starts to draw. And so, yeah. And it just animates all of it. So you can see, if you look closely, you can see the line just going. If you make the turtle appear, you can see the turtle go. But in the code, I did not put that in. I put .ht, so it hides the turtle. And so it makes this wheel, as goes by the name, wheel maker. And so yeah, it makes this awesome wheel. And it finishes. Now, here's my other one. This one. So you have to rerun the program and enter that in. And so it makes this really cool design where I thought, wait a minute. So I was just testing out all of these numbers on it to see which ones looked the best and stuff. And I came across this one that looked really good. Just because it had 5 things that looked like boots and stuff, and it looked really good. And so yeah, that's what I decided to include in there. I don't know why I'm using a trackpad right now. I have a mouse right next to me. And now we have this last one that I put in here. And wait, I can just and it makes this. I don't know why it goes like that, but it does. It looks pretty cool because it looks like you have a bunch of pieces of paper that go on top of each other and fold inwards towards each other, which means it gives this saw blade look to it. As soon as this next arrow thing comes up, we'll say. Well, it's gonna keep going until it. Yeah, there we go. There's that. And yeah, so that's how that works. And so that's all. That's it for today's video. I'll see you next video. Check out the rest of my channel. I will be posting all of this stuff on GitHub soon. And yeah, see you next video.